So I was speaking with a student last night and they asked me, what's the one single tip that you can give me for FAR? And what would you want to tell other candidates? And I said, think about FAR. Everything comes back to how does a transaction or event ultimately impact the financial statements? And the fundamentals of accounting are based on debits and credits, and ultimately what the journal entry would be to record that transaction or event. So if we are always thinking about what would the journal entry be, regardless of whether that question asks for the journal entry, then we're thinking to that next step as if I'm a CFO, if I'm a controller, here's how I would record this transaction or event into my financial statements. And that's ultimately the mindset you need to bring when studying for FAR. So think about the journal entry, write it out. A lot of the Universal videos, we go through the journal entry again, regardless of whether it's needed to answer the question, because that is how we form our full understanding. And guess what? You can also check your answer most often than not. If the journal entry balances and it makes sense, then you're going to be able to use that information from the journal entry to solve that question. So again, always be thinking about what is the journal entry for this transaction or event and what accounts are impacted.